Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Plug in your controller and make sure Windows shows it as connected. You want a solid indicator before launching the game. If it's a PlayStation pad, install DS4 Windows or enable Steam input in Big Picture. This maps inputs correctly. Once done, switch GTA 5 to controller input in Settings Controls so the game recognizes joystick axes and vibration. You do this now so game menus and camera behave predictably. Skip any extra steps until you confirm device detection. Open GTA 5 controller settings to tweak dead zones and sensitivity. You want minimal drift without losing fine control. Set left stick dead zone around 0. 0.5 to 0. 15 and tweak aim sensitivity higher if camera feels sluggish. Once adjusted, test in free roam driving and shooting to calibrate input curves. Make small changes and retest to understand impact. Also choose whether to enable auto-aim and vibration. These help in gunfights and immersion, so make sure they match your playstyle. Now run a full playtest. Drive, run, aim, enter menus, and trigger weapons to ensure each button and stick behaves as expected. If a button doesn't register, close the game, toggle Steam input or Big Picture, and relaunch. Reinstall drivers if needed. For stick drift, increase dead zone incrementally and recalibrate through Windows or DS4 Windows. If vibration stops, check game vibration setting and Windows device properties. One tip: restarting the game after any mapping change often resolves lingering input conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.